Today I'm so excited to show you how I make my plantain and egg frittata. So I hope you watch this video to the end, subscribe, leave your comments and also share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. To make egg and plantain frittata, peel your plantain, slice them into thin round shape just like what you're seeing here. Now sprinkle a little salt on the plantain, heat oil on a gas stove, fry the plantain until they are golden brown. Once the plantain are golden brown, remove from the oil and set aside to drain. Now heat up another pan, add a little cooking oil into it, add in onion, minced garlic, and then stir fry this for about a minute or so. I just chopped up 3 medium tomatoes, so I'm going to add it also. Now we are preparing the filling, so we're just going to stir fry the vegetable for a few minutes before we go into the main preparation. I'm also adding in a little bit of red bell peppers for a pop of color. Just make sure you slice them into strip, and green peppers as well. Now let's season this with curry powder, just a little bit of thyme, a sprinkle of salt, just to test. If you like pepper, you can add a little bit to it just to make it spicy, and also 1 stock cube. You need this to be very tasty, so you add in stock cube. After you've added all of this, you stir the content. Allow this to cook for a little while until the vegetable is all soft. So I have chicken sausage here, so I'm going to add it to the vegetable and stir fry as well. You can use beef sausage if you want, so I'm using chicken sausage. I'm just going to transfer this into the pan and stir fry for a few minutes. You can as well add this before you add some seasoning to this, so I just prefer to add it last so it doesn't cook really much. Now everything has gone in here, all the seasoning, the sausage, the vegetable is well seasoned. So we are going to cook this for just a few minutes more and we are done. Now we are sure the sausage is cooked. We are going to take this off from heat and transfer it into a bowl. Once you're done preparing the filling, it's now time to bring the egg into another bowl. So I'm going to be using 5 eggs. The egg, I'm going to add a sprinkle of salt, not too much. I'm just going to give it a little whisk. Now we are going to transfer the filling into the egg we just whisked. To move on to the next step, so you are going to coat your frying pan with some cooking spray or melted butter. You're going to bring the mixture into it. Now spread the fried plantain till it covers the whole pan. After spreading the fried plantain all over the pan, add some green and red peppers for a pop of color. This is optional. You're going to close the lid and allow this to cook on medium heat for 20 minutes until everything is well cooked. Now after 20 minutes of slow cooking this, it turned out very nice. So I'm just going to put my pizza cutter in between to divide this. I hope you can see these are plantain frittata. Came out really nice and clean. Guys, for watching, and for our plantain and egg frittata, I can't just wait to have enough of this. I've already eaten almost half of this, so let me have a taste again. The taste is really awesome. I hope you try this simple breakfast out. This is one of my easiest and yummy breakfast. I love it. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, give me a thumbs up, and also share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.